In Sec 3 mole calculation, we already know this formula already, right? This is nothing new. What formula? The first two. What is the empirical formula? Done. 1 mark in the exam. Simplest whole number ratio of atoms of the element. We also learned this already, the molecular formula in mole calculation. It's a total number of atoms of each element in the molecule, right? This is Sec 3. There are two more new ones here. It's called structural formula. What is structural formula? It shows how atoms are arranged inside the molecule. That molecular formula don't show. Empirical obviously don't. And there's a new one. It's still structural formula, you realize, but it has additional word called Formulae. Fu means what? Fu means you must show all the covalent bonds between the atoms inside the molecule. So keyword, show the covalent bonds. An exam could be as easy as the table below. They ask you fill in the blanks, they give you marks. All right? And people will start to lose marks because they don't have a system. Let me give you the system with common sense. Follow me closely, everyone. Here we go. I'm going to make it a bit more difficult for you. Instead of 6 blanks, you don't blanco lah, because later I'll unblanco this. I'm going to make it 8 blanks. By filling in the 8 blanks, I'll give you 4 marks. So each blank is half a mark. Okay, for example. So how do we move? That's the question. Follow me closely. So what is given to you, you will always be given a name. Correct or not? If I don't even know what's the name, then what's there to talk about? So I'll be given this. So from the name, what can you do? See, I talked about this before. Ladies and gentlemen, what's important in the name? The surname. I need to know who's the father, which family, which dialect group, which race, whatever you call them. Yes? And therefore, I'm almost done. Ladies and gentlemen, this refers to your alkanes, A-N-E, right? Alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Then I go below. This is what? This is the alkene. Oh, CnH2n. Alkenes. Gonna see how fast I move? I want full marks. No careless mistake one. Then what? So my only thing right now is care about what? I need to know which brother in the family, ma. Make sense or not? Dang, 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 dang. Done with it. If is what? N equals to 2. N equals to 2. N equals to 3. Can you pump this inside the N in the formula? Pump, 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 pump. You get 1.5 marks. Done. Okay? How difficult is this? I don't know. You tell me. Don't want to follow? Then too bad last. What to do? Some people are just born stubborn. All right? Carry on with the stubbornness. Right? So ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you the sequence, which is more important to me. Follow me closely, my friend. So what I do, you see, when I'm given it, I will always do step 1. I will translate here first. This is my step 1. I must get the molecular formula out first. Make sense? And then from here, I can choose, if they ask me, again, what depending on what they ask me, right? This is just an example table. I can then therefore do this. From number 1, I can go number 2, because empirical formula got no meaning. It's called divide until cannot divide. So I solve this also. This is more calculation. Everyone okay? Simple ratio, empirical formula. Make sense, huh? Follow me closely. Yes? Now, it's the next two that people get into trouble. People like to do full display, the covalent bond. They think they are very good. We're not so good yet, so be humble. Soon, you'll be damn good. All right? Even my GC student sometimes make mistake. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how I'm going to move. I'm going to do... so a lot of people go to structure formula. Sorry, because it's very short. I will always come here. Even you ask me this, right? I won't come here first. I will always come here. Now, why are these two? Once again, they might ask me about formula, structural, or they might ask me empirical. Important is I get my molecular, then I will shift here first. Why? Because this is called full structural formula, also known as display formula. It's drawing out the covalent bonds. Drawing out covalent bonds is very interesting, and I want you to take note. Ladies and gentlemen, carbon, do you know carbon very well? Carbon is group 14. Just now I repeat myself already. It has how many valence electron? 4. 4 valence electron means I'm going to see how many covalent bonds. Because when I do organic chem, I close both eyes. Or 1.5 eyes. And I just keep moving. I won't count one. Because it's auto count. Ready? It's about the appreciation of carbon. My friend, we already know that hydrogen. Also, you agree with me, hydrogen cannot form this kind of covalent bond? Make sense? Hydrogen must always can have one bond only. Agree with me, my friend? Okay, covalent bonding, yes? Basic stuff. Okay. So because of that, you know why? I'm very sure that this is the structure of ethane. Ta-da! The two carbon must always come together. Because that's the only way to come together. And carbon make 4 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got time, you put in the H. Soon I will not be putting in the H because it's a waste of time. In an exam, you need to put. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm always correct. Next, we go to ethene. Ethene, we know what? Ethene, we know it must have a what? It must have a CC double bond. Make sense? Correct now, it must have this, right? So done ready. Ethene, I have a CC double bond. And the carbon make how many bonds? 4. You can slant it diagonal or vertical. Nobody should mark you wrong. If anyone mark you wrong, take a picture for me. I'll blanco your name. I'll blanco your school, teacher's name. But I will then post it on my Facebook and let people laugh at it because my friends are all chemists by training. And I think they should be laughed at. Yes? Done. Confirm, guarantee plus shop. Do I go and count the number? Don't waste time. Ethene, done. Propene, got 3 carbon. It has 1 double bond. English writing left to right. So I usually like to have my double bond come out immediately. Yeah, okay? This one, you need to be careful. I tell you where's the mistake. All right? You can put, basically carbon make 4 bonds, right? You can say there are 6 of them. Okay, I tell you where's the mistake. The mistake is this one in yellow. A lot of people write too fast, they put a 1 here. I can see the mistake. Don't let me catch you on this, okay? Because I'll just laugh at you. And therefore, take a look at the black color. Hit 6 ma. Correct now, my friend. Easy. Don't put the H there, okay? Don't let people laugh at you. Come. Be careful. Carbon make 4 bonds. My pink color. Can I run? 2:30 Ray. Let's finish up. We are slightly slower than the other class, but again 10 minutes. Never mind, next week they will catch up. No homework for this week, yeah? Okay, structural formula to finish it, ladies and gentlemen. Follow me closely. Here we go. You want to do structural, my suggestion, always go to full structural first. And this is what we're going to do. Very simple. It's called carbon counting. Look at what I'm doing, my friend. Follow me closely. I'm going to pick out each and every carbon. The first carbon in orange. Second carbon in green. And if there's a third carbon in a different color, what color you want? Say what color I have? Pink. Okay? English writing left to right. Your job is to do what? Your job is to left to right. Ask yourself that carbon, what other things is attached to it that's not carbon? Can you see there are 3 hydrogen? And can you see the other carbon got 3 hydrogen? Done. This is how we organic chemists do things, not what you do with your school teacher. Next one, I'm going to draw a bit smaller because there are 2 ways to present this. All right, so I'm going to have 2 answers. First is as per what we're doing. Carbon, count the whatever is beside it. Carbon, count whatever is beside it. There's a second way to present it, nothing wrong. This is even more specific. Basically, what they do is they say they want to show the functional group. So what you do is the same thing. You put CH2 and then CH2, but you squeeze in that functional group for them to see. Because you draw it out, you get back the same full structural formula. Understand what I'm doing, my friends? In a systematic manner. And you should be able to complete the last one on your own by right. And we are done. This is the structural formula. Why is it difficult? People make mistakes because there's a lot of H, a lot of subscript. People start to anyhow. Anyhow, sure, confirm wrong lah. Nothing discussed lah. Wrong. If you would like to catch my latest videos, click on subscribe button right now. And click on the bell if you want to receive instant notifications once I've uploaded my latest video. If you'd like to join my live chemistry classes and revision workshops, go on to winnerseducation.com and find out how you can score distinction for chemistry on a consistent basis, either in our center or online via Zoom. If you want to check out my online school, go on to passwithdistinction.teachable.com. You'll be able to learn chemistry concepts at your own pace and anywhere in the world, topic by topic. This is Sean Chua from Winners Education, to your distinction in chemistry.